Yes, and start. Shri C.B. Yadav, Additional Advocate General, refuting the submissions raised by the Learned Counsel for the petitioners, supported the order of the state government dated 10th December 2010. Learned Advocate General submitted that the land acquisition proceedings were initiated by the Department of Home for the purposes of construction of police line at Ghaziabad, and the department which had initiated the land acquisition proceedings is the department which is competent to decide an application under section 48 of the Act for a release of the land. He submits that the state government acts through various departments, and the competent authority for deciding an application for a release of the land is the Home Department, and thus the state government took a decision on 16th July 2010 that representation is to be decided by the Home Department. Consequently, the Home Department has passed the order. It is submitted that allegations raised by the petitioners of bias against the Home Department is without any substance. The department which had initiated the land acquisition proceeding is the department which is aware of the needs and is competent to decide as to whether the land should be released or not. Other departments, being not aware of the details and requirement of the state, are not competent to decide the application under section 48 of the Act for release of the land. He has also, during the course of submissions, referred to the government order dated 15th September 2006 and 3rd July 2007. He submits that the state government has already taken a decision by the aforesaid government orders that for a release of the land under section 48 of the Act, the department which has acquired the land is a competent department. A copy of the notification dated 26th March 1981 issued under section 4 read with section 17 of the Act has also been placed before us, and it has been submitted that the said notification has been issued by the state of UP. It is submitted that Department of Home, being the department which had issued the notification under section 4 of the Act, the decision to release the land has to be taken by the Home Department. Replying the submissions of Learned Counsel for the petitioners regarding hearing, it is submitted that petitioners were given full opportunity by the state government. The petitioners filed their representation and thereafter filed reply to the comments objections of the Home Department and the Senior Superintendent of Police Ghaziabad on 27th April 2007 and 30th April 2007, and were given personal hearing also by the state government. While deciding the representation, all relevant materials were taken into consideration, and the submission that petitioners were not given due opportunity is incorrect. He submits that the petitioners have placed on the record before the state government all pleas and raised submissions which have been taken into consideration while deciding the representation. The plea of the petitioners that principles of natural justice have been violated cannot be accepted over.